Welcome to the JHB News and Information channel. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. I bet you didn't know your car might be part of a massive recall. Let's find out more. Honda has just announced a massive recall affecting millions of vehicles. This recall targets a faulty component that could cause cars to stall unexpectedly, increasing the risk of a crash. If you own a Honda, you might be wondering if your vehicle is on the list. You can easily check by visiting Honda's website and using their recall lookup tool. Simply enter your vehicle identification number or VIN. You can usually find your VIN on the driver's side dashboard or your vehicle's registration documents. This recall serves as a crucial reminder to regularly check for open recalls on your vehicles. Keeping informed and addressing potential safety concerns promptly can significantly reduce the risk of accidents and ensure everyone's safety on the road. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you enjoy our content, consider donating to the channel via Cash App at $MRGHBJR. Your support helps the channel grow.